There's a new game now available on my website which helps children to practice onomatopoeia words and use them correctly. Grab the printable and either a dice with the numbers 1, 2 and 3 on them or just some bits of paper. Take it in turns to choose a piece of paper and find out how many onomatopoeia words you've got to include. This is 2. Onomatopoeia words are words which are used to represent a sound. So we're going to think about words that are used to represent a firework. So I'm going to write 2 in now. The first player's written their 2 onomatopoeia words. Player 2 has now chosen a number card. They've got to write 1 word. Play continues in this way, with the winner being the person that writes the last onomatopoeia word at the top of the rocket.